I am only one call away from you. I would be there whenever you need someone to stand with you, for you, and beside you. No one chases Philippines of my heart but you. It's like it beats to the sound of the music that only you create. There is no one for me but you. I am blinded with love for you. My love makes name see your flesh but much more than that. It makes me see the beauty of your imperfection that are carefully woven to create a masterpiece of delight and love so strong it wakens me. I don't know about you, but I can never get enough of you. I love you with a love that had only been reserved for you from the beginning of time. You keep me focused and leave a large smile on my face. Without your love, I have nothing. My life would be empty and hopeless. Our love isn't you so pure and true. I am forever bound to you. My heart is a captive of your love. Your love wakens me to my marrows and it strengthens me in a profound way. It makes the world much more enjoyable. The universe itself is in agreement with our amazing love. I am willing to explore the length, depth, and breadth of our love. It is so deep and strong that nothing can destroy it. You have made me a happy man, so I promise to always look for ways to bring smiles to your face. I love you, my sweet tooth. Nothing in the universe can compare to the depth of our love for each other. I always shied away from love and prepared to just have fun. Now I can't imagine not loving you. You are my weekends because I can't bear to have anything negative happen to you. It you are my strength because you help bring all my continents into the timeline. I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I know there is no tomorrow for me if you are not present it in your eyes. I see my future and in it is a home with you. You are more than I ever accepted to have in my life. I love that you are full of life. My life is filled with excitement because of my one and only darling. Message me now, darling, on WhatsApp.